Today on my channel, I'm going to be reviewing a microscope that I think could literally change my YouTube channel. It's the Elikliv TL301. This microscope is so good, I see it replacing my Amscope SM4 triocular scope. The TL301 comes with a 7-inch screen. It has incredible resolution, as you can see in my picture here. I am blown away by how good this is. Now, it comes with 3 different lenses, a wide angle, a medium, and a macro. Of course, first thing you do is you adjust the focus, and then you can electronically zoom from the front panel with these 2 arrows in and out. You can quickly change the lenses because they have a little magnetic ring that just lets them pop in and out. So there I went from the wide angle to the middle size. And as you can see, I'm a lot closer and I can see a lot more detail. And here again, I can zoom in and out with the remote and then zoom back out again. And then lastly, they give you a macro lens. And this macro lens is incredible. Look at the detail on this. I'll get it in focus, but look how I can zoom in on the teeth on this wheel. And I can inspect everything and every part. This is going to make me a better watchmaker all the way around the board. And then you can get the lights. It gives you 2 LED lights that actually run off a battery. This whole unit runs off a battery, or you can plug it into a USB-C. You can capture a still image by pushing the little camera button on the remote, or start the movies, recording movies. They both record to the SD card that's plugged into the back of the unit. You can get to the menu from the remote or the front panel. There's a lot of settings on here, but the best ones are on the second page. It'll let you set up your camera, your photo. You can get 4 million pixels or 38 million pixels. I've got it set on 38. And your video, you can get 4K video, which I have it. The high green highlights what I'm using, and that tells you what you have. You can also do 1080p. Now, all of this records to the micro SD card in the back. And you also have a USB. You can output it to a computer. And then this 5-volt is what runs the lights. Now, the only complaint I have with this thing is the power cord they give you is too short. Now, the best feature of this whole microscope is the distance they give you from that wide-angle lens down to your work surface. I can fit my screwdriver in there without any problem. As you can see, I can take video while I'm unscrewing and putting parts together. So the other great thing about this microscope is it has a HDMI cable out the back. Now, I run it right to my monitor that's sitting behind there, so I can see everything there. So let's rate the TL301. First off, picture video quality. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 because the 4K video is fantastic. Second, workability. I can get screwdrivers and tools underneath the microscope without a problem. 5 out of 5. Accessories, 4 out of 5 just because the power cord wasn't all that great, too short. And lastly, is value. I'll give it a 5 out of 5 because this unit comes in under $150 and it's just packed with features. So check it out. The overall rating, 95% out of 100. Great product, great value, game changer. And if you want an additional discount, check my description down below. It's just for a limited time, they're giving a special discount. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.